How to clear cache on iPhone. Let's get started. Is your iPhone running slow or low on storage? Clearing the cache can help free up space and improve performance. In this video, we will show you how to clear the cache on your iPhone step by step. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Safari. Once you find it, open it. Over here, you're going to find different options. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of Clear History and Website Data. Check in for the option of All History and then toggle on for the option of Close All Tabs. Then click on Clear History. With that, you have just clear cache for the Safari browser. Likewise, head back. Now scroll up. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now in this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. You can delete and offload the unused apps. Just open the app and you can click on Upload or you can click on Delete. If you just want to clear the cache, you can click on the option of Offload. By this as well, you have just cleared the cache on your iPhone. Likewise, for the apps like Snapchat and Facebook, you'll get the option of Clear Cache within the app. So launch it. I'm gonna open my Snapchat. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find the avatar. Click on that. Click on the option of Settings. Once you're in the settings page, you will see the option of Clear Data. Click on that option. You will see the option of Clear Cache. Click on that. Click on Clear. So this way as well, you can easily clear the cache. Lastly, what you can do is open your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Erase All Content and Settings. Now click on Continue and go through the process. Applying these options, your iPhone's cache will be cleared. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.